Wouldn't it be great if the ice cream man always went by in every video that I made in the beginning instead of like some horrible construction truck? Anyway, I'm Rich Noto, Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector, Florida notary public with loan signing agent certification or construction training realtor. I'm over at Hawks Run. I know this isn't part of Hawks Run, but it looks like a beautiful house down there. Beautiful land. That's amazing. So this is Hawks Run from Ashton Woods. Unfortunately, this model is not a model anymore. It's sold. Today seems to be the day of me going to various builders and they're moving models. So this is like moving models, shuffling models day. And now I have this house, I believe, in a video of this in Winter Garden too. So you can check that out as well. And please go to my website at richnotohomes.com or newconstructionrealtor.homes and check out, at the very least, my homepage where you could see more about my education background and how much training and additional certifications I put in to make myself better so I could help you best and not be that realtor that doesn't do anything for you after the builder's contract is signed. Because again, a lot of realtors just disappear. They move on to the next buyer because they're trained that the salespeople in the the salespeople at the builders do everything. So just keep that in mind. That doesn't help you as a buyer. Anybody can buy a new construction house or sell a new construction house. I mean, a monkey could do that, but a monkey can't build a house right. A monkey can't go through the process right. They wouldn't know what to do. Okay, so you have to be experienced and you have to be educated and you have to know building codes and manufacturer's installation instructions for various components. Just keep all that in mind. And also you could check out other pages on my website and look at the inventory of homes at specific communities. So like this community, you'll go to the bottom of the page and you'll see whatever they have in inventory. This house, this is the Badlands. Pretty good sized porch in front. Okay, so here we are on the inside. Now I think I have a video of this model somewhere else, the Badlands. I could be mistaken, but I think I have it in another community. Just gonna move a little bit quicker in here. Maybe it's in Winter Garden. Okay, so let's continue. Let's see what we have over here. We just came out of the bedroom. Here's the bathroom. And HVAC closet. And we go from there to a bedroom. And let's see, what do we have over here? Is this going to be like a walk-in closet or something special? Or yeah, a little bit, a little small walk-in closet, I guess. A step-in closet. Okay, so let's continue. Sales office is over to the left, so I'm not going to go in there. In this room, you could see it's set up like a bedroom. Oh, the hot water heater. Temporary hot water heater location for model only. I think that I saw that in the other video that I have of this one as well, because that sounds familiar. Although it could be in some other house as well. I don't know. It's always a surprise when the hot water heater's in the closet. Okay, so here's your kitchen. You can see you got a very big island over here, and I don't know if it comes standard with an island of this size. It might not. These models are always heavily upgraded. And this is, Ashton Woods, so it's one of those brands that, you could definitely spend some good money upgrading your house. I'm going to go into this bedroom over here, master bedroom. And let's see, big shower. Look at that, big shower. And towel closet. Okay, I was wondering what was going to be in there. Okay, so toilet's not in the closet, but it's kind of in a closet, but without a door. Okay. You know, I'm not a fan of those rooms, those toilet in the closet rooms. Okay, so master bedroom, closet. There's our toilet. So a pretty decent sized master bedroom. I know I kind of jumped over the kitchen, living room, and dining room area. Let's see. Now here's your lanai. You can see they got 2 chairs out. I mean, you could probably put 4 to 6 out here. Maybe even a larger table.